Staying in North Carolina, transportation leaders say interstates are now clear from this past weekend's snowstorm, but they do want to stress there may be icy spots due to the cold temps.
NCDOT says 75% of primary routes are clear, and they hope to have those finished by this evening. Secondary roads, those will be up next. Traffic anchor Leah Phillips spoke with transportation leaders.
In the days following this weekend's past winter storm, frigid temperatures aren't the only thing we're looking at making an impact in our area. Those winter weather conditions can make for super icy roads and hazardous traffic conditions. And that's why the North Carolina Department of Transportation has over 400 employees working around the clock, not only before, but during and after this weekend's snowstorm to keep North Carolina roads clear. I spoke with NCDOT officials about what goes into getting you back on the road after a storm.
NCDOT has about 450 employees, plus an additional 100 contractors out working the roads right now. And they will continue working in 12-hour shifts, 24/7, until all the roads are clear.
And in the following days, a reminder to drivers that while those primary roads are mainly cleared as of now, driving on secondary roads might require a little bit more caution as those DOT crews make their way through.